Hey guys! Oh my god, I'm sick. I sound atrocious right now. Anyway, hey guys, it's Sierra, and today I'm finally doing what you all have been waiting for. It's a makeup tutorial. Oh my god! First of all, I have a really squeaky chair, so just acknowledge that. Oh, I felt that one. Today I'm doing what I call a pink smoky eye. Does anybody else do a pink smoky eye? People do pink smoky eyes, right? Well, I do pink smoky eyes sometimes when I feel like it. So I'm gonna show you how I do my pink smoky eyes. Let's get it poppin'. Yeah, we're gonna do the eyebrows first. Okay, where are we? So first things first, I'm the realist. Alright, let me stop. Okay. First things first is eyeshadow base. Okay. You don't need an eyeshadow base, cause like then your color is just gonna like get all like mushed together, and you just gonna look like a mess. You just gonna look like a mess. You gonna look like a 2-year-old painted your face. Ooh, your eyes, whatever, same thing. So primer. You gonna need that eyeshadow base. Yeah, whatever. Professional series. Damn, I got this for $1 at a yard sale across my house. The more you know. I'm sorry if you can hear things in the background. My family is very loud. Now we get the eyeshadow palette. I'm using the All I Want Kylie one. Yeah. This shit, I'm not gonna lie, this shit poppin'. This shit poppin'. Okay, Kylie. Can I get a sponsor though? It's like, no, let me stop. I'm too irrelevant for Kylie. Anyway, but first I'm gonna start with the color. Which one do I usually start with? Forever Young. Right here, you're from me, okay. Also, you don't just need the Kylie one to do this. You can use different ones too. I don't know, anything with like pink, any type of like pink palette, any type of palette. So now we're just gonna blend it into the crease, as you can see. I'm not big on the lingo, the makeup lingo. I don't know like all the words or whatever. I'm pretty sure there's like a lot of words, inner crease, outer crease, corner crease, cut crease. Like, it's a lot of creases, and I just got like 2 eyes. There's too many creases. Jesus. Now I'm gonna go with the color Party Time. I'm gonna do it in this little area. Okay. How's y'all's days? Like, let's talk about something. Like, have a one-to-one conversation. Or like, cause I like to just be one with y'all. Like, just like, you feel me? And I know y'all ain't see me in a minute. You miss me a little bit. Don't lie. You miss me a little bit. I know. Like, yeah, okay, but are we going with the new black? Orange is the new black. I got that on right now. Alright, we're just gonna like put it a little bit more towards the inner crease. Kind of blend it out a little bit. And scene. Should I do more makeup tutorials? I don't know. I'm not that good at makeup. I know enough to get a rougher by. That's all I gotta know. We're gonna go in with Midnight. Okay. Now this is a very risky part, okay? So for this part, what I like to do is I just like to lightly just tap it. Very lightly, you feel me? Cause like, you don't wanna ruin it. Cause you can ruin this, you feel me? I mean, you can never really ruin makeup, I feel like. Now just blend in like the outer crease. Blend it towards the inner crease. I'm not saying what kind of brushes I use. Oh well, yeah, I don't know. Oh shit, y'all saw that? I fucked up. Oh my god! Ah! My mirror fell. Oh my god. Okay. We're just gonna, it's a big ass mirror. I just made a giant stand for my phone out of like shorts, a Bible, and a bunch of other books. Thank you, God, for helping me. Now, back to what I was doing before my mirror decided to rudely collapse on me for no reason whatsoever. And this one needs some more black. Is this even really a smoky eye? Let's just be honest, guys. Is this? I'm not sure at this point. When in doubt, blend that shit out. Now, usually I use a Q-tip, so like it might look really fucked up right now. But you know what? When you done, use a Q-tip. That's what I do. Oh, or use tape. I prefer a Q-tip. Then when you're done, you get to like it's easier because then you gotta blend out the line after you take out the tape because like you're gonna have a sharp ass line. Unless you like a really sharp line. Now, I like to go back with some pink. It's like, you just used a lot of black. So like, you won't have to like use some more pink. Now I'm going back with Forever Young. Right there, that light pink. Just a little bit right here to reassure us that this is very well pink. Now, Orange is the new, the new black. Okay, this one, and kind of like put it right there. Yeah, okay. This looks like a mess right now, not gonna lie. I'm going in with this type of looking brush. You see this? That type of looking brush. Buttercream frosting. We're just gonna put it right below the brow bone. You feel me? Just to like really highlight it. Blend a little right here. It's a little bit of 1992. 1942. Never mind. Look, you can see my ghetto setup. I'm gonna take a little bit of that. A teeny tiny eeny weeny bit of black. And just go right here. Just in case I haven't made it clear enough, let's say it again. For the people in the back, so y'all hear me. I'm not a professional makeup artist. When life gets rough, blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out. Time for my favorite part. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna get, what is it? Oh, concealer. Get your concealer. Because this just makes the glitter pop more. Put your concealer. So, oop. You only need a tiny bit of concealer. On the base of your eye. So blend it a little bit. You can use your finger. Or whatever little bougie tools that you have. We get one of these looking type brushes. I'm going in with Party Girl. And I'm just gonna apply that on the lid. The inner corner of my lid. As you can see. Ooh, girl. I'll party all day, every night with you. Ooh. Yes. Yes, okay. Now I'm taking New Year, New Me. I'm just gonna like put it in like the middle, blend it out. Just for a little extra color. If you using pink, we going with all out pink, okay? All pink air tan. Okay. Okay. My Q-tip. And if you feel like it's lacking in some areas black for you, or if it's lacking pink, just go back with the color and just, you know, blend. Any color and just blend. It's so easy. So easy. So easy. It's not like this is hard. But I just thought I'd let you guys know how I do mine. I know there's some people that have wanted a makeup tutorial, even though I'm not even that good at makeup. Like, what y'all want it for? Like, what you want to see me? Like, y'all really want to laugh or something? Like, Jesus. Okay, now put on your eyeliner. Oh, y'all want to see how I fleek the eyeliner? Are y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Let's see if it's a good day for me, because sometimes you be having those good days with your eyeliner and bad days, too. Today's not a good day. I've had better. I mean, yeah. Me and my eyeliner have definitely seen better days. But you know what? When you put the lashes on, it's not even that bad anyway, so. It's all about the lashes, alright? The look ain't ready or complete without the lashes. Everybody knows this. It's basic math, the fuck? My eyeliner, they are cousins, okay? Not sisters. Now, we put on lashes. Actually, I'm about to go steal my mom's lashes. Her lashes look better, so BRB. Okay, so I stole my mom's lashes and some cough drops. Taking a brush, I'm not even gonna tell you what brush it is. You can give me shmoney if you want some advertisement, the fuck? So like this little tip thing. I'm gonna take the highlighter, confetti. So freaking beautiful. And I'm gonna put it right here in the little crease type, whatever. Inner corner of my eye, I guess. I'm gonna get the color Forever Young. I'm gonna put it under my eye. What brush do people use under the eye? Oh my. Now I'm gonna use the new black. And all the way the outer, right there. We're done, guys. Maybe I'll do full face one day. I don't know. Yeah. So I have nothing else on. Just my eyes are done, by the way. So like there's no highlight or anything or foundation or whatever. So love you guys with another makeup tutorial from, you know, the one and only Sierra. This beat. Thought you was gonna get copywritten. Stop that train right there. Hold up. You would've thought. Just let me know. Alright, what else you wanna do? Cause you know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about some cooking with Sierra part 2. Sierra and friends. But I need friends in order to cook with friends. You feel me? So that's how that works. I need another cough drop. It's been real. This squeaky Sierra, you feels me? See you next time. Probably in like 2 years. Okay? Okay. Wish baby. Cause I like looking at myself. Hi, how you doing? Okay, sorry.